Okay, hello everyone. In this video, we will try to write the whole program, count good substrings, write the whole program on our own. Okay, so this is a good thing, guys, because if you don't practice, you just visualize, then this will not. If you just simulate, then this will not be good for you, right? So here we will do duplicate. Uh, okay, so. We have to write printf count good substring. Okay. Let's say this one is enough, and we will provide the input here. Let's say this one. Okay, and so this will ultimately give us a integer types of output, right? So here const okay. What do we need to learn? Okay, there is no internet service problem, guys. Anyway, but we are trying to at least practice. Okay, integer. What was there first? String 0, res 0, uh, and equals strlen. I don't know if you're seeing good, guys. Okay. If n is less than 3, return return 0. Okay. Int string equal to 0. Rest equals 0, right? Now we will have to for the first window, right? Initialize the first window. I equals 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. We're trying to initialize the first window, and we have another thing, guys. These are the things you will forget. I practiced this 2-3 times. Okay. So these are the things you will forget and you will remember, but you have to you will have to recall this from your memory. Okay. Without this, you can't learn, guys. This is the reality you have to face. Okay. So integer idx equals si minus a. If frequency idx equals to 0, then distinct plus plus. Okay. uh, Distinct plus plus. Okay. If distinct equals 3, then res plus plus. Okay. So initialize the first window. Okay. So now we'll have to slide the window, right? I will start from 3, guys, okay? And I is less than n, right? And I plus plus integer out equal is I minus 3 minus a. Okay. If frequency out equals 0, then distinct plus plus in equals s I minus a. Oh no. So these are the things you forget, guys. If this is how I try, guys, okay? I'm not perfect, I'm just a learner like you. Frequency I equals 0, 0, then distinct plus plus. But here it was minus minus. So these are the things we need to, and frequency in plus plus. Frequency in would be plus plus here, plus plus here. And if distinct equal to 3, this would be plus plus. If distinct equal to 3, this would be plus plus, and then finally return. Yes, so our internet connection is having problems, so these are the logic we deal with. Okay, so we have to try like in this way, guys. Okay, so we have to try to write the whole program on our own. If we face any problem, we can see, watch, and visualize again. We have to try again and again, right? So thank you.